Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
First, the good news. The city has witnessed its highest single-day recovery figure today, and the figure is slightly more than the new reported cases today. This despite the fact that the new cases today are the third highest single-day spike. There is more good news. NMMC has today conducted 1,921 rapid antigen tests. So far, 13,991 such tests have been conducted in the city since it was started on July 16, that is in 15 days. This has resulted in early receipt of test results and consequently immediate action being taken. A record 362 patients have tested negative today and hence discharged to go back to their homes to live a normal life. This high figure comes a day after the city recorded its highest single-day spike of 375 cases, and on the day it has reported the third highest single-day spike of 360 new COVID-19 cases. The second highest spike is of 361 cases reported on July 10. With increased testing, the total number of COVID-19 cases in Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation jurisdiction now is almost 15,000, with the exact figure being 14,987. The COVID toll is now 411, with 4 more deaths being reported. Nerul takes the lead today in reporting the highest number of cases, followed by Koparkerne. Ghansoli and Neroli are not far behind along with Belapur. The city has witnessed over 300 recoveries on consecutive days after 302 negative cases yesterday. The 362 today has sent the total recovery figure over 10,000 at 10,116, ensuring the average of 67% recovery is not disturbed. The active cases are stable at 4,460. 1,37,158 people have completed their quarantine period, while 78,800 people are presently quarantined at home. A total of 33,916 people have been tested for COVID-19 in NMMC jurisdiction till date. 18,640 of these have tested negative. Results of 289 tests are awaited. The breakup of 360 positive cases ward-wise is Belapur Ward 45, Nerul Ward 77, Vashi Ward 32, Turbe Ward 30, Koparkerne Ward 64, Ghansoli Ward 52, Airoli Ward 50 and Dika Ward 10. 27 children have tested positive today. The details of the patients who have tested positive today are on your screen. The breakup of 362 recoveries ward-wise is as follows. Belapur Ward 12, Nerul Ward 69, Vashi Ward 17, Durbe Ward 26, Koparkerne Ward 126, Ghansoli Ward 62, Airoli Ward 50 and none from Dika Ward. The high number of recoveries is a positive sign and gives hope of the situation returning to normal soon. Of course, no one can let their guard down. Stay safe. For Avas Today, Shanawaz Jari, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.